Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get the new secret codes on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to put on like a hair here. For the outfits, the new codes I will put in the description box down below, but the new ones we have is this one, this dress which has a lot of toggles. We have this bag, again a lot of toggles here. We have this bow, again a lot of toggles as well here. And we have this kind of like axe and stuff, again a lot of toggles. I will put those in the description box down below, but these are everything that you get in codes. If you haven't played when the Brat update was on, you can't get these because these are only exclusive to the people who played when they're playing Dress to Impress while the Brat event was on. Some of them you can still claim. You cannot claim these again because the event is again off, but the rest you can claim. And again, I will put most of them in the description box down below. I don't know the Brat one because it just automatically is on there, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.